Super Nintendo World Store. We're in. And right away we're seeing some really cool Super Nintendo World stuff. Oh yeah, you can hold, name tag. This is like a luggage name tag, nameplate or something. Really cool. Love it. Oh, player 1 and player 2. Get your shirt here. What do they want for it? They also have the hat. Player 1, player 2. Oh, they want $35 for the hat. A Yoshi hat. Has a Super Nintendo World logo on the side. Oh. Cool. And they want $35 for that hat too. Donkey Kong Country. Nice sign, and here's a nice picture frame. Donkey Kong Country hat. $30 for the Donkey Kong Country hat. Nice shirt. Sweatshirt with a hood. Look at the sleeve. $75 for that. Nice shirt. Oh, you can get Donkey Kong in a barrel. Oh man. Soft. Could be a pillow. Definitely a nice decoration. They want $40 for it. He's got his tie. DK. You get a mug. Donkey Kong mug. $21. Oh yeah, and they got the player 1, player 2 mugs here for $16 each. Here's player 2. Here's player 1. Super Nintendo mug. Oh wow. Love the colors. $16. Very nice. There's Luigi. Wow, nice size. He's nice size. What do they want for him? $63. Buy me. What? They got Mario too. I'm Mario. Hi Mario. Same price, $63. Nice. Yoshi! Look at, he's got a little turtle shell there. Right, Yoshi? Bowser. Wow, isn't he cool? Very nice. How cool is that? Look at them all. Looking up at us. Oh look, they got a Mario hat. $42 for the Mario hat. Wow. Oh you can get a Mario glove. Of course, this might be a Luigi glove. Princess Peach. 35 bucks for Princess Peach. And you can get his hat right there. Oh yeah, Universal has theirs. Donkey Kong. Nice, and these are called novelty headbands, and they're 30 bucks. And of course, a Donkey Kong mug. Oh, it has Donkey Kong written right inside of it. Look at that. That is cool. 16 bucks. Man, there's so much neat stuff in here. If you're into Nintendo and collecting Nintendo memorabilia, this is the store for you. It has got it all. Headband with Luigi. A Bowser hat. That is so cool. A Bowser hat. 42 bucks for the Bowser hat. Oh, cool figurines. Mario right there. Bowser. They're really nice. We got Luigi, Mario, Princess Peach. These are smaller ones up here. Bowser's a fairly big one. And then this Mario's bigger. And then there's Yoshi. Oh, and what is that? The dancing piranha plant. Right there. You can get a cast of characters right there. Different casts too. Road signs. Isn't that cool? Neat road signs. Bullet Bill speed trial. Mushroom piston engines. $22 for him. Oh, the bomb. They got the bomb right here. The little wind up there. The bomb's $22. Nice shirt. Oh, I like it. 40 bucks for that shirt. Oh, that's glow in the dark. Is that cool? So are the hats. 35 for them. 35 for the hats. That is cool. Is that a bubble maker? Oh yeah. That is a cool bubble maker, isn't it? Yeah, that is cool. Oh, I'm so glad I came in here and checked out this Nintendo store. So much cool stuff in here. I was really surprised to see all the different stuff in here. Definitely stuff I'd love to hold. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. And go ahead and give me a like. Leave me a comment. Love to hear from you. Catch you on the next one. Take care.